Can we please appreciate this beautiful, beautiful watch in its amazing presentation case? Just absolutely amazing. Now this was first released in 1981. Crazy, isn't it? And the special thing about this watch is it's never ever been used. Ever been used. How it come is exactly how it was bought when it was brand new. Exactly, no difference. Got the manual, got the original receipt, everything. This is the complete original strap as well, and it's been on there for so long, it's actually moulded itself on the little part that goes on here.